This is the procedure for changing the main blades and the tail blade on the M-Blades helicopter. The tool that you're going to use is a Phillips screwdriver to undo one screw per blade on the helicopter. So one screw, just pull the blade out, there's no clips, and make sure you're replacing it with the same blade that you've taken off. So this blade is marked with a B for the top and A for the bottom. So slide the blade back into the groove and replace the screw. Don't tighten the screw too tight. The blade needs to be freely moving on the fitting. So that's the main blades. Move on to the tail blade. There's no screws involved. You just want to hold the main motor down and pull up on the center or on the sides of the blade. You don't want to pull on the outsides, as close to the middle as possible. So lift that off. New blade, just replace that by pressing it straight back down onto the motor shaft. And that's the procedure for changing your main blades and tail blades.